Hi, my name is Kyle Kotecki, and I will be presenting a slideshow about Seymour Roger Cray. Seymour Cray was born on September 28, 1925 in Chippewa Falls, Wisconsin. He had a father who was a civil engineer who inspired Seymour Cray to go into a profession about engineering. As he graduated high school, he was drafted to World War II, and that's where he served as a radio operator. After his service, he went to the University of Minnesota and got a Bachelor's of Science in Electrical Engineering and a Master's of Science in Applied Mathematics. After graduating, he got a job at the Engineering Research Associates. This company was commissioned by the Navy to make a computer that could store data. And that's when Seymour Cray developed his first computer, the ERA 1103, which used magnetic drum memory. This computer was sold commercially to companies like airlines. After he made his first computer, he and a few others from the same company decided to leave and make their own company called Control Data Corporation in 1957. It was here that Cray designed the 1604, a computer that had no vacuum tubes but instead used transistors. These were more expensive but took up less power and space, and was pretty innovative at the time because normally every computer used vacuum tubes. He focused on making computers that were simplistic, and while focusing on this, he made the first supercomputer in the world called the CDC 6600. At the time he made the supercomputer, it was 10 times faster than the previous best computer. The CDC 6600 was so important because it could meet the needs of high performance computing that no other could do. To do this, he used the first liquid cooling system to maintain optimal temperatures in the computer. Also, the computer was able to process floating point data. The CDC 6600 laid the foundation for modern supercomputers by introducing pipeline architecture, while also pushing for more innovation from competitors. Because of this invention, Seymour Cray was now known as the father of the supercomputers. The supercomputer was a big success. However, designing the next two computers, the 7600 and 8600, it left Cray's company almost bankrupt. So Cray decided to start another company called Cray Research and leave Control Data Corporation behind. At this company, Cray would go on to design multiple more top-of-the-line supercomputers that were among the fastest of its time, specifically the Cray 1. This is one of the first computers to use vector processing, which allows a single instruction to operate on multiple datasets at the same time. This allowed Cray 1 to become faster and well suited to handle large datasets. The vector processing pushed performance boundaries and once again pushed others for innovation. However, this company wouldn't last long because of the Cold War. After the Cray 4 sales for his computer dropped, this left the company bankrupt, so he moved on to another company, Silicon Graphics Inc. However, he passed away shortly after making it. In conclusion, Seymour Cray was an important figure in computer architect development because he helped to push innovation of computer science by making computers fast and more efficient, and by developing different techniques and principles, like how he always said that computers should always be cooled.